Welcome back to our channel and new video. If you're looking to translate your videos to any language for free, you're in the right place.
Bienvenidos de nuevo a nuestro canal y nuevo video. Si estás buscando traducir tus videos a cualquier idioma de forma gratuita, estás en el lugar correcto.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel and new video. If you're looking to translate your videos to any language for free, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Vidnoz, a powerful tool that makes video translation a breeze. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves sharing videos in multiple languages, stay tuned. Vidnoz is an online platform that allows you to translate your videos quickly and easily. It's user-friendly, efficient, and best of all, free. Let's dive in and see how it works. Vidnoz offers several features, including automatic subtitles, voice translation, and support for multiple languages. Today, we'll focus on the video translation feature. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Head over to vidnoz.com and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, and you'll be ready to start translating. It's a simple process and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click on the Upload Video button and select the video you want to translate. Simply upload your video to the Vidnoz platform. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see a confirmation message. Vidnoz system will analyze the audio and automatically generate subtitles. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, translating your video. You don't need to worry about manually transcribing the audio. Vidnoz does it for you with precision and efficiency. Click on the video you've just uploaded and select Translate. You'll be prompted to choose the original language and the target language for your translation. Firstly, Vidnoz supports a wide range of languages for translation. Whether you're looking to translate from English to Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, or many other languages, Vidnoz has you covered. Our advanced AI technology ensures accurate and contextually appropriate translations, so your message remains clear and impactful. This process might take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. Once it's done, you'll have a translated version of your video ready to go. As you can see, the subtitles and audio are now in Spanish. You can make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your video. Now that your video is translated, it's time to export it. Vidnoz allows you to download the video directly or share it via a link. You can upload the translated video to YouTube, share it on social media, or send it directly to your audience. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to translate your videos for free using Vidnoz. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have you tried Vidnoz? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.